Hello guys, welcome to another short tutorial on SharePoint. Title is a default column which will be created while we create a list. In some scenarios, we don't want this column in our list and the form of the list. As in this case, I have created some more columns where I don't want to have this title. In this video, I am going to show you how we can remove this title column from both list and form. To remove the title from list, there is a simple step. You can go to modify with this view, and here you can see list of columns are displayed here. You can just uncheck this one and click on OK. But even though when you uncheck that title column from the list, if you click on a new item, you can see title column is still appearing in our forms. To remove this one from our form, we need to perform certain steps. So let's see how we can remove that one. For that one, go to list, then list settings. To remove the title column, first you need to enable content types. For that one, go to advanced settings. Here you can see the first option is allow management of content types. By default, no is selected for this one. You need to select as yes. Then scroll down and click on OK. Once you enable the content types, you can see there is a section which is appeared now, that is content types. The default content type is item, which is created by SharePoint while creating any list. You can click on the item content type. Here you can see all the columns of your list and its details, what is the type and status of each columns. As you want to remove title column from our form, click on the title. Here you need to select the option hidden. As you can see, instructions are mentioned here like will not appear in forms. So if you choose this option, title column will not appear in forms as well. Once you choose this one, click on OK and go back to your list. Now if I click on new item, a new form will be opened. Here you can observe now title column is hidden from our form. So these are the basic steps which we need to follow to hide title column from form and list. That's it guys for this video. Thank you for watching this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, click on like button and share it to others.